I just want to say about Paulo Cruzada and Dina Guillermo. Stop this harassment over at Jeric Silva, even Shania Kiana, Nanay Ningning, Patrick Quezon, even my relatives, Ate Isa, Kuya Mel and Ate Hana, even my cousin or Kuya Jojo, even my even my other friends who were disturbing from them. Ate Dina Guillermo and Paulo Cruzada, can you just both of you need to stop attacking? It's not really helpful always. Hindi yan nakakatulong like I said before. Attacking in social media, attacking everyone, it's not really good. Anyway, for me, when I left the group chat, Jeric and we just left the group chat. I telling him, pagsabihan niyo to, kulang sila sa aruga. I left the group chat. I just left the group chat. I say to everyone, why can't we just leave the group chat? Okay, Paulo Cruzada and Ate Dina Guillermo, with all due respect, can we just stop attacking everyone? Like, you know, for me, thanks to Jeric Silva, he said to me, suspended na sila sa, ano yon, like I said before, in JYSC, that call it group page of Jeric Silva. I chat Jeric. I said to him, Jeric, uh, ipatanggal mo itong mga dalawang bugok like name Paulo Cruzada and Dina Guillermo. They still continualizing attacking at Jeric. If I were saying to all of you, to all of bloggers, to all of those things not really happen, Paulo Cruzada, Dina Guillermo, and other Marcos loyalists, can you just stop bashing Jeric Silva? And even I'm saying, even the Spedmotics who were diehard Duterte supporter and they are non-political, can we just stop politicalize? Can we just stop about nonsense? For me, guys, as I'm a Duterte supporter, I'm not talking about politics. I'm not talking about politics. Just like I said, it's really nonsense. It's very nonsense anyway. I talked to Jeric Silva. Jeric, if I were you, just like I said before, alis na tayo dyan sa group chat. For me, sumusobra na sila, like I said. Thank God, Patrick Quezon had left the group chat. Thank God, Jordan Pilapil had left the group chat. And continue to add in group chat. You know, I'm not making foolishness. Paulo Cruzada and Ate Dina Guillermo, have mercy to the people who just disturbing at. Just like I said before, what if Paulo Cruzada and my nephew Miggy Labitag? What if Paulo Cruzada harass Miggy Labitag? Oh, you will make role play. Oh, I ask you, Paulo Cruzada, pag ina-add mo si Miggy Labitag, if you add my nephew, Miggy Labitag, if you harass him, if you attack him, there's no other choice. If I continue to chat Miggy Labitag, I say to Miggy Labitag, you can leave the group chat. Oh, Paulo Cruzada is really abnoy. Oh, look at him. He did not reprimand by his parents. Oh, if I were you, Paulo Cruzada, I will teach Miggy Labitag how to shoot a pellet gun. Oh, and he can borrow from Kuya Mike Labitag's pellet gun. Oh, Miggy must learn how to shoot pellet gun. Oh, subukan mo lang, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, if I'm saying, Miggy has a pellet gun. Oh, in Kuya Mike Labitag's house. In Nanay Banji. Oh, subukan mo lang, Paulo Cruzada, like whatsoever. You should not attack everyone. If you say again, Paulo Cruzada, if you add Kuya Mike Labitag, if you add Ate Michelle in group chat, I say to them, leave the group chat. Huwag kayong maniwala kay Paulo Cruzada. Don't believe Paulo Cruzada's lies. It's all the lies. Alright. She's getting another more. There's plenty more. Alright. Okay, she's getting some. Just like I said before, Paulo Cruzada, if I say to you, even Dina Guillermo, both of you, don't harass anybody. You know, I was very upset. I'm very harmed to all of my friends there. Ate Dina Guillermo and Paulo Cruzada, make a public apology. You should never do that again. If you apologize everyone, you should not create group chat. Oh, like me, I never create too much group chat in Messenger. Oh, because look at me. Manuel Luis Antonio and I, we always say we get rid all of those group chat. Oh, and then we remove Franco Morales, we remove Rafa Soco, or we remove who else in the group chat? Everyone, we always remove it and we get rid of it. Paulo Cruzada, Ate Dina Guillermo, I say to both of you are responsible for creating group chat. You add Teacher Vincent Ramos, you add who else? My cousins, or even my relatives. So, Paulo Cruzada and Ate Dina Guillermo. Get rid of the group chat. Don't even add us, even J-Rick, even others. Do not even add us in the group chat.